nina nisileha nina anisangitshela ukuthi intwana yethu iyafuneka orkanti kuphi boma Spain boma ini ngizingeni ukuthi ngikhosi fan or ngiini mara intwana yami le intwana yethu iyafuneka boma orkanti anisangitshela nina nisileha. Anyway, here's my take on this. I love Mofokeng, bro. Like, I don't wanna lie, right now ke favor Kaizer Chiefs in Jagane. Mara agwato chaila ma. My favorite player currently the vilakazi. Kesho vilakazi. Twana vilakazi ndana margo ba number 2. My favorite player in South Africa currently mjaga. Ke Mofokeng jaga agwato bulela maka. No Diddy, ka uncawa ntwana ka. Okay, ka uncawa. You know, after ngipela vilakazi ntwana ka wanthola. But anyway, this video was about Mofokeng. So there's rumors he might be going to Barcelona, and Barcelona's scouting him and stuff, you know, which is a good thing, and I'm happy to see that. Like, I'm happy to see this. Like, literally, like, I don't know if it's true or what, but I'm fine. For Mofokeng, I would believe it is true, bro. Don't let me chase selati sugar klimuna twane like yo kitso ke remote ye klimuna. Anyway, I would be happy to see a player like Mofokeng fit to go abroad and play for, you know, other teams, you know, get experience. As we all know, South African football, when it comes to experience that much, we're still lacking day in day. Marazama will get there. It's a long journey though. But I would love to see a player like Mofokeng, you know, wearing a Barcelona t-shirt, you know. I've realized one thing about us, and like about South African players. So if they'll go to a major team, if things don't work out, it kind of just ends up crushing them. Even if they are literally under the reserve side of that big team or what, it kind of crushes them. But I love the way Mofokeng is like literally just built. That's one thing I feel like I love the boy for. His discipline. I'll give me it personally, but come on, you got discipline. You can see even his play style of play, you know. I've realized in 21 that we lack in South Africa, and I see in these boys, especially him and these youngins, you know. I don't know if we realize, like, okay, we know European football is better than our football, you know, but I don't feel like it's better than our football. It's the highest kind of football, you know, that we watch tactically, you know. So I always feel like we are always trying to match, like compare ourselves to European football, you know, and try to play style of play sabone and so on. And I don't want to lie, we're missing that thing of ours, that flavor, that tsipa, you know, that samaya. I know, okay, sharp, it's not good for a game, you know. We need to score goals, but I feel like that's our style of play. And I don't know how you realize how teams like Brazil, they maintain their style of play. You know, you can look at players like your Neymar, your Rafinha, you know, they always maintain those sambas, you know. So I feel like these players, these youngins, your Vilakazis, your Mofokeng, if we could play that kind of style of play, you know. So I feel like I love that about Mofokeng also. He brings that thing that we no longer have in our classic football, that style of play, you know. Like, Mofokeng and be like this and on. You know, that's how good the boy is, you know. And your vilakazi, your Mofokeng. So I wouldn't mind seeing a player like him going to Barcelona, you know. But what I would like for him is to go to not a team like Barcelona, bro, because I feel like he won't get that much play time. Let me see. I feel like also even him mentally it might just kind of affect him, but I love the way he's just literally built, and I feel like it won't affect him even if it go there. I just want him to play. I feel like player Mofokeng must just be get experience, play more, you know. So if you could go like to you know, a lower kind of level team, and not like Barcelona straight, if you could just get a team that's literally going to give him play time. You know, I got to play time, especially of Europe, bro. The training facilities, you know, a player like Mofokeng, your Vilagazis, under good hands, good equipment, good medical teams, good, you know, your like Mofokeng would literally be like our Alminia mal or so how I feel, I don't think he should go to Barcelona. He must go to some lower, you know, second division team, maybe in England. Or maybe even in Spain, second division team, you know, he would be amazing just to get more play time. Because but anyway, man, that's my thought. But I would really love to see that boy in Barcelona jersey. I'm not a Barcelona fan, but I would literally cheer for that boy, bro. Oh, so that's how I feel. I feel like if I got teaming yana, lowanyana, or that's only game time more and so on, that would work for him. But anyway, that's my take. You can let me know how you feel about that situation, about that post in the comment section. From me, Mr. Sparkles, that's my take. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.